In this video, I will show you how to change your banking information on Cash App. Whether you've recently switched banks or simply want to link a new account, this quick guide will walk you through how to change your bank info on Cash App in just a few simple steps. The process is straightforward, fast, and completely secure, so let's get started. First, open the Cash App on your phone and go to the Banking tab. You'll recognize it by the icon that looks like a small bank or house located at the bottom of your screen. Once you're inside the banking section, tap on Linked Banks. Here, you'll see a list of your currently linked debit card and bank account information. Next, find your current bank account on the list and tap on it. This will open a small menu with a few options. From there, choose Replace Bank. Cash App will then ask you to confirm that you want to remove your old bank account and replace it with a new one. Tap Continue to proceed. Now, you'll be prompted to search for your new bank. Simply type the name of the bank you want to link, for example, Chase, Bank of America, or Wells Fargo. Once you find it, select the bank from the search results. You'll then need to log in using your online banking credentials, which include your username and password associated with that bank. After entering your login information, tap Submit. Cash App will then securely verify your credentials through your bank system. This step usually takes just a few seconds. Once everything checks out, your new bank account will be successfully linked to Cash App. You can now start using it right away for deposits, withdrawals, or sending and receiving money. And that's it! You've now updated your bank account on Cash App. The entire process only takes a couple of minutes and can be done entirely within the app. Just make sure you have your online banking login details handy before you start, as you'll need them to complete the connection.